Plumber Elbow Park. Elbow Park, located in Calgary's southwest quadrant, is a prestigious, historic, and affluent community bordered by the Elbow River with high population. My Calgary Plumber, your trusted partner for exceptional plumbing services in Elbow Park, Calgary. Quality that shines. Whether it's a leaking faucet, a clogged drain, a malfunctioning water heater, or any plumbing concern, you need a reliable plumbing service provider to keep your home in top shape. That's where My Calgary Plumber comes in. At My Calgary Plumber, we offer a wide range of plumbing services to ensure your home stays comfortable and problem-free. Our skilled and friendly technicians are here to help you with common plumbing services, such as leak repairs, fixing those pesky leaks that can lead to water wastage and damage, drain cleaning, clearing clogged drains and ensuring water flows smoothly, water heater installation and repair, providing hot water solutions for your daily needs, pipe repairs and replacements, addressing damaged or old pipes to prevent leaks and water damage, toilet repairs and installations, keeping your bathrooms in working order, sump pump services, protecting your home from flooding during rainy seasons. No matter the plumbing issue, you can count on My Calgary Plumber to deliver best service using the latest technology and techniques to get the job done right. Don't let plumbing problems disrupt your life. Contact My Calgary Plumber at 587-707-0606 or visit www.mycalgaryplumber.ca to schedule your plumbing service today.